ghost call me to the side like, can we have a word? I could've fronted, but I did this shit how I preferred. I know I should be humble, but it's something I just haven't learned. Soon enough, I had to make these bad habits burn. Soon enough, we about to come and get the shit we earn.
Hi, welcome to my vlog, guys. So my friend's birthday is today. We're going to the yacht and everything. I'm gonna show y'all my pictures. Oh, hold on. But say hi.
Hey y'all, hey vlog, it's me, you know, Pretty Bree back in the building. Oh,
no,
back in the building. You know what's going on. We finna be on that boat.
I like my shoes.
So cute. It's on the floor. What are other Polaroids from yesterday?
Okay.
So I can show what you own.
Cute. Okay, say hi.
Hi. It's a vlog?
Yeah.
Hi vlog.
Say hi to my vlog, ladies in the car.
Derek, say hi.
Say hi to my vlog.
Got a nigga in the car.
Say hi to the vlog.
Babe, say hi. You saw my phone. Let me see my phone.
Yeah. It was raining, like, look. Rain. Yeah, raining, so now we're gonna get on the boat. She did my hair real cute. Real cute. Oh, this thing.
Oh.
All the details.
I don't look thick. I am thick.
What about this?
You said to the better if you won't dance, babe.
Real cute. I'm gonna be right back.
You know she gotta work.
Yo.
What this is?
Yeah.
What is it? Who is it? I changed my phone. Oh, bitch, y'all got money. Let me see. Y'all got me the purse and the shoes. Boy, y'all spending that money on that county dad. Oh, bitch. Oh, bitch. You see me? This girl is aggravated. You see me?
Hello.
Can you use my purse? You got your phone ringing. She got a lot of things. Huh? Yeah, I gotta adjust the. Ooh, hold on now.
Hold on.
Ooh, bitch. You see me? And the toes. What they say? Toes white. Toes white. Ooh. What? Tell me about my first name, Rochelle. Rochelle must be getting ready to go to bed. You know she got
So, who you feel like finna be the drunkest on this boat?
You. Waiting so all of us can walk together.
Yeah, bitch, you.
You are.
Who you feel like gonna be the drunkest on the boat?
You are. We're very upset. She's here.
Who you gonna feel like gonna be the drunkest on the boat?
Counts. Me? I don't know. Hi. I'm gonna be the drunkest on the boat.
Okay, on up to your shit.
I'm gonna be outside. Come inside. Kenna gonna have to drive us home. I said, ooh, God, it's shimmery. She gonna have to drive us home. I see that ass from over here. God damn.
This girl. This was stupid.
You know when a person ain't got no booty, you gotta make them feel like they got a little booty? What these do? These mine?
Oh, yeah. What's the other
on the boat? 10, 11, 12, yeah. We got that little. Oh, I got the big one.
Oh, I got a little one.
I got the big one. Yes, baby.
I hope it do.
I'm pretty sure. I
hope it do.
so.
All right, y'all. I think I'm gonna be the drunkest. It ain't even my birthday, but what you gonna do for Big Mama for well? What you gonna get for my birthday?
Kenny.
Yeah, very much finna be lit. Hi.
It's going that with that person, it's gonna reject. But it didn't reject that one.
Say hi, guys.
It wasn't that. It was for prom.
That's why the more you hit it, it's gonna keep coming. It's gonna make it reject quicker, and you gotta clean it a lot. Tell me about it.
What your phone name?
Don Julio.
Oh my God, these are so cute.
Yeah.
Daddy shot it. That's sorry. Daddy shot it plus Derek. Ready? Hold on.
Okay.
Ready?
Come on, it's a video, so we're gonna do Batty shot o'clock. Wait. 1, 2, 3. Batty shot o'clock.
Nigga birthday.
Hello. First.
Y'all black people don't follow directions.
We told him that.
Awesome.
Yo. Yo. Angie. Huh? Hey. Oh. Oh. Hey.
How they be doing it? Wait, man. Put this on there. Oh.
Ooh, girl, what you drop?
Me and my phone. Me and my phone. I know.
What the fuck is holding on? I just went my first legs. You stay up in the motor home. Need a bad bitch with a low body count. Which one of them I'm taking home? Bitch, I'm on them naughty niggas. Same court that the Lakers on. I'm more of these naughty niggas. Baby girl, my paper long.
Do you love me? Do you trust me?
Say you got my back, but if that baby got you wanna fuck me. Can I keep it real for a second, baby?
Would you judge?
Oh,
he can't fuck me!
I take it to my house, stick it in.
Ooh, that chicken don't stand a chance.
Oh, he want another one. Oh, that's the honey mustard. Oh, I can see it right here.
That's why I'm saying on mustard.
That shit look like peanut butter. That's good.
Wait, no, you have that knocking over there?
Ain't no spoon or nothing.
Y'all like my thing? It's so cute.
Break your fucking heart.
But how he gonna get it? You gotta take it out there? You gotta go. I don't wanna be sad, don't say me. I don't wanna do this. Be sad, don't say me. I don't wanna be sad. Now they got me messed up. You gonna walk over here? You crazy. You crazy. Shot o'clock.
Oh, if liquor was a river, I'll be a duck, and I ain't no duck, so let's be duck.
Shot o'clock.
Come on and shut it down. Y'all take the flower now. You gotta get it.
If you like my shot clock is I'm so sorry.
Your shot clock is what?
I mean my shot clock. My shot clock. See, I told you. Me even. So that means I gotta get it. No, I haven't made sure, so I'm good. Okay, yeah. Of course, me to drink extra. Oh, who brought this can? This is good. It came with a shot.
I'm a driver. I'm lying. I ain't no damn driver. Girl, I'm gonna pass the shit. Drink the shot first. Drink the shot first.